Hey, what's up, everyone? Aubrey Trades here with another pre-market prep session. Take a quick look at what's hitting the scanners. SPRT squeezing all the way up to $55 this morning. Absolutely ridiculous. I played this all wrong every time this has started moving, so this is a big ignore for me, but bless you. If you want to try, power to you. Good luck. Ideally, dip and rip out of the open to retest the highs. I would recommend having a really wide risk because this thing gets pretty choppy. Other mover, NNA, up on acquisition news. They're completing a merger and they're currently in the 320s. So it looks like there's prints coming in at 297 now. Not great. So it's kind of downtrending from its announcement. 290s brings us here at the bottom of this congestion zone. If this can reclaim and start running, potential levels at $3.50 and $4 to keep in mind. Probably an ignore for me personally. Neuro though, if this can get like a chat pump, this is sort of right here in the middle of this channel. You can see in the 5-minute chart. Well, it's not in the middle, but it looks like it's trying to regain that lower channel line. If it can, right, then this is interesting for a push potentially to 16s, 1650. Don't know that I would count on a breakout past that today, but if it can do that, maybe it sets us up for some good stuff on Monday. Those look like the runners. Another one I'll talk about, SPRT over 7. I like. Go over here, SPRT, and I say over 7 because you have this congestion here. So over 7 gives us a clear shot to 8, 9, 10s. Another one, Ride is holding up pretty well. I like Ride more for like a late afternoon if it can hold VWAP. And if it holds this level and starts uptrending, of course. Other ones, oh man, you can tell my thing's being laggy now. The next ones I want to talk about are going to be, TCAT if it can get back to 13, I like. And then the other ones are going to be OTC plays. I really like RGBP. This has been steadily uptrending for a while. RGBP, the silent, because it hasn't made like crazy gains, though. The past couple of days has been pretty good. But look at this, all like retesting the highs from April now. So definitely going to watch for any kind of profit taking, maybe a dip buy coming off of the 5s. And LCLP, another one. This was really hot in July and then has just been consolidating, right? Drop some news. Look at this ridiculous, like, what? This was 2 cents? More than 100% in a day. Dip buy into profit taking from overnight longs. This is why I get bummed when I like waste all my buying power in the morning on subpar things, because then you got like setups like this, and it's like, man, I would have loved to get long this at 12.15, right? Ugh. Anyway, can't think about that. Profit taking, I'm looking at 4.8s as a level. I'm looking at 4.2s as a level. To retest the highs, right? It's extended though, so gonna be careful. This thing maybe could panic all the way down to 3s, right? So we'll see. Again, I'll look at the level 2, watch for the turn. So those are the top watches for the day. Some of these are kind of, I don't know, gone to me. TPTW maybe still worth watching, but it looks like it's slumping over. AUNXF is pretty much dead to me. It didn't really give us any good bounce opportunities. I mean, maybe this, but this happened so fast. I know it was from 15s to 19s. Not when you had TPTW, like putting this crazy move in yesterday. So anyway, those are it. So to recap, my main watches out of the gate. Of course, you can look at Sport because that's going to be the big shiny object everyone's paying attention to. Neuro is a dip and rip over this 13 area. SPRT over 7 could be cool. My mains at the open are going to be RGBP and LCLP for potential dip buys. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you're checking out. what else you want to see from this channel. If you got value out of this, please consider giving the like a smash, maybe a subscribe. Otherwise, I'll be back with a trade recap. We can go over how things went in the morning, and good luck out there. I'm Aubrey. Catch you in the next video.